What's up, guys? I'm sitting here on my freshly carpeted floor, ready to get started on the next part of the Jumbo build. In the last video, I showed you guys how to apply carpet to aluminum. It actually went a lot easier than I thought. There's a link in the description if you want to check that video out. Today's video is a follow-up for epoxying the wood and now applying carpet to it. That is some waterproofed wood, let me tell you. Before I start applying the carpet to all the wood, I just wanted to test fit everything, make sure it all still looks good. It definitely hides all the areas of the carpet I wanted it to. Once these panels are all carpeted, this is gonna look really, really killer in here. Okay, so I have the wood set up right here to get ready on the carpet. The only thing I'm gonna do real quick is just hit it with the sander, just a light scuffing on the whole thing. I wanna make sure that the carpet glue has something really good to grab onto. Also, there's a little bit of drips around the edges. You know, that's just normal from doing any kind of epoxy. So I'm gonna try to sand those down as well. All right, so that knocked down all the drips that came on the edges. It just gave a nice rough surface. I made sure to pick myself up a carpet glue spreader. I'm ready to go. So with this, you don't want a super thick coating of glue. If your carpet is on the thinner side, it'll squeeze right through the fibers, and then you don't want glue on the outside of your carpet, so. All right, well, I think that this looks pretty perfect. It is a nice even coatage of carpet glue all the way down. The staples I'll be using are these stainless steel staples. You definitely want to make sure you get stainless so they don't rust out on you. Buy at least a pack or two because you'll go through these way faster than you think. These are 3/8 10mm staples. I'll have links in the description for not only the staple gun, but also the staples. You need a specific gun to match your staple. They sell light duty staple guns, which just aren't gonna cut it for stapling into plywood. For the thicker, taller staples, you need a stronger staple gun to make it work. So let's go ahead and roll this out. See how far we get. So this will just make sure I'm laying the carpet down on a clean surface. Okay. What I'm going to do is slide this board under. That way the carpet is fully supported as I'm working on it. What I like to do is get the corner so it's tight on the actual corner with the carpet. I'll come in and put a staple on one side, and then a staple on the other. So now I have my corner done essentially at this point. So the only thing I need to do is trim off this excess. So you can use scissors to cut it flush. I'm just gonna use this blade. So, you know, that does a nice tight corner right there. So I do put in one more staple to close the corner. So again, you want your corner perfectly cornered. And then I'm gonna put a staple on each side of the corner. Just a relief cut right here. Make sure we got our corners where we want it. It's another reason why I like these blades, because you can make them super long. Pretty good, not bad, I'll take it. All right, for this end here, I'm just gonna trim an edge right here, and then right down here, get rid of this whole piece so I'm not having to work with it, and then do the same thing where I've got a corner here, and then this is gonna be similar, except the corners are gonna fold in.
Oh, that's what I was gonna talk about. So
Oh, that's cool. Sure. Yeah.
$19.99.
No, I think that's a great idea. All right, well, there it is. I got all the corners done, all the carpets cut and stapled down. Now the big reveal, let's flip it over, see how it looks and see how it fits. Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks great. That looks so good. I'm very happy with this. It's gonna be more like that up in the front there. And then I'm gonna screw all the way down to kind of shape this to the boat. That looks really good. Come on. While this dries, I'm gonna get started on the next one. Another piece down. Very nice. Very, very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and get this weighed down in the other room to make sure it cures really tight to the glue. So only 1, 2, 3, 4 more pieces left. Okay, so I got my helper out here. She wants to give a try doing the staple gun.
Aye.
All right. If you want to use both your hands, put both thumbs right on the end there, and then try squeezing it that way, okay? Let me get in place again. Okay, go ahead and try and squeeze them with both your thumbs. Here, I'll help you out. Ready? All right, squeeze. Oh, good job. And one big pull. Ready? Go. Yeah, that was a good one. So now we're just gonna slide it back and forth.
I can do that by myself.
Look how nice of a corner we made.
I can pretty much do this by myself. With the stapling complete, it's time to test fit it in the boat.
All right, we're gonna set it right in place on top of the posts. Beautiful. All right, well, it's the next day. I went and grabbed some more carpet this morning. Got just enough for what I need to finish this up. I'm gonna wrap both these pieces up today. We're making really great progress. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get these last two finished up. Hopefully fit everything in the boat to see what it looks like. Grab a cool thumbnail, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, well, in the next video, I'm gonna get these installed and hopefully get the side console in also. So don't forget to subscribe if you wanna see how everything turns out. If you guys have any questions about what I worked on today or just any questions in general, feel free to leave me a comment below. I'll have links in the description for all the tools I used today, just in case you guys need them. If you guys found this video helpful or you just enjoyed watching it, don't forget to hit that like button, and thanks for watching.